This is very exciting. So starting about 5 years ago when we had the initial Zoom meetings about what the needs were, we were already busting at the seams for labor and delivery and the amount of citizens that we were serving in OB. So having a thumbprint on the design of this is, I'm overwhelmed with excitement and joy and happiness of what we are doing for our citizens and our staff and what we will be able to serve. And we provide exceptional service here, and I'm very excited for that. Comparing from the old to new, we are doubling the capacity. So currently there are 5 labor and delivery rooms, and here we'll have 10. And then we doubled the postpartum rooms as well. We have 2 designated OR C-section suites that are right here on the floor. Previously, we had to share the OR and that space. So when there's an emergency that arises, it's right here ready on the floor, and you have staff readily available to serve our citizens.
So we have a few new service lines. We're going to have a NICU for the first time ever. We're going to have a cath lab. We do a lot of OB. We deliver a lot of babies, over 100 a month usually on average. Having a NICU, being able to keep the mothers and babies closer to home where their support systems are, is a fantastic part of healing and keeping them close to their families. So we're very excited about that. Those type of service lines and the additions to service lines is going to open us up for more residencies. We're looking at a surgical service residency. We're looking at an OB residency. Those things are going to be training the doctors of tomorrow to take care of our patients here today. And that's what we're building here, is a pipeline of workforce development. We've already got a medical school. We're bringing a nursing school here. So all this practice culminates to Saturday morning, 6 a.m. Patients start getting transferred, and that's when these doors will start being open for business, and we're looking so forward to it.
Well, I think it's significant in 2 respects. One is it's a major expansion of our health system. We're talking about the new Hastings Hospital, which doubles the capacity of our inpatient operations. But I think it's bigger than that. I think it's the culmination of 5 decades of the United States returning authority and sovereignty to tribal nations, and then the Cherokee Nation seizing upon that over the course of 5 decades to build up to where we are now. So it's really just part of a progression, and we hope and believe there'll be more days like this to come.